Hi, today in front of me Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here we can see ring and notification volume panel, and just to mute the ringtone volume we should hold and slide to the left side this green dot. Just by this way we'll mute the ringtone volume. Also get one more way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button on the right side of your phone, then click here to the three dots and you'll just launch the same volume panels. And to mute the ringtone volume, by the same way hold and slide to the left side ring volume panel and then just tap to down to save all the changes. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.